What's up, YouTube family? I am at a client's house where I have several repairs to make. One of the repairs I'm making is with this door, and I'm going to show you what's going on. It's not lined up to where it will close and latch. See, no matter how far you pull it, and it's not lined up and catching. This right here is not catching on the inside of here. On the inside of this top one right here, it's not catching there. So first I'm going to try to see if I can slide it over a little bit. I'm pretty sure, 90% sure, that's not going to work. So the very next thing that I'm going to do is something that's always been successful when I'm doing this type of work. And I have a bag that I use, not a bag, but a toolbox, my rigid box that I have a lot of different cutting equipment, and I have my Dremel in here. And all I'm going to do, I use this Dremel for some of everything. I'm going to use it just to cut a little bit of that out so the door closed. Very simple fix. I'll let you check it out. And like I said, I'm pretty sure this adjustment's not going to work. And I'm going to have to cut it, but I'm just going to see. See, it only moves a little bit. This bottom would have to move too, and it's not doing so. But I'm gonna tighten it back up. Like I said, I didn't think that was gonna work. So back to what I know is going to work. All right, like I said, I'll be using the Dremel, and I'll be using one of the blades from the Easy Lock accessory, and this is basically a cutting wheel. See that? Cut that too. Now, normally when you do this job, you want to use gloves and safety glasses and all that, family. So, and I know I should be doing that. Now I could have moved this up and drilled new holes, but this is already lining up, so I didn't want to mess up the alignment of the lock. So let's see if I cut it back enough. Voila! There you go. It catches now. Okay, still not finished with repair because I still have to install the broken enclosures at the top and the bottom, but at least the door catches and latches. Alright, I have to go in and do other repairs. I want to thank you, family, for checking out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.